Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you to Guiding Ohio Online for allowing us to bring these programs to you. Today I'm going to share with you how to use the Salem News Digital Collection. This is a collection that we have available right here on the library website, and it has information from the Salem News spanning back from 1905 to 2002. So let me go ahead and show you where to find this. If you're looking up information for research or information of the past, this is a great place to get this information from the Salem News. So if you go to the library website, this is the main page when you go to the library website. Then what you will do is you'll go over here where it says local interest. And once you find that tab, if you hover over it, or even if you click the down arrow, you will see the Salem News Digital Collection. Now, we do have the Salem News available also in the library that you could get more recent information from besides the digital collection. So let's go ahead and click on the digital collection, and it will take you to this page like this. And you're going to see a hyperlink page here in red, the Salem News Digital Collection. And this is where you'll click to find that information. So once you click on that, it'll bring you to this page. And if you go right up here to the top where this blue arrow is pointing you to and click on it, it will give you dates. This is where you can change the dates that you want to. So let's see, let's change it to January. I'm just picking one, January 1928, and then let's pick today's date, which is the 5th. And what it'll do, it will search the database and it will bring up the newspaper from that date. And if, as you can see here, you can scroll in and be able to read things closer with your mouse. If you just take it and scroll in, you can get information that way to be able to see it better. You have different options up here at the top. You can even take it, the slider, and slide it in closer or out with the slider if you don't want to use a mouse. If you see, as you see here, the first thing, this is print. So if you want to print the article, you can determine whether you want to print all of the newspaper. There's 12 pages. You can print that. You can print the current page, or if there's certain pages you only want, you can print those also. And then the next 3 lines that are available here, if you click that, it will give you a table of content. Now, as you can see, there is none associated with this one, but some there are, and that will give you that option there. And then you have this button here with the arrow that points down. This is your download. As you can see, it automatically downloads the newspaper articles that you have on your screen at that time. It will download it to your computer. So here it is downloaded to my computer, and you could read it that way if there's information that you want from that. This option here, the V with the balls on the ends of each section, what this gives you a URL to it. You can share it on certain social media sites if you're interested in that. Or if you have a website that you want to share it on, you can get the embed code here to be able to embed it on a website. And then you can see here at the top that gives you different views of the article. This here will make it full screen. Depending on your device, how you're using it, you may be able to use that, but the zoom in and out is easier to read some of these things than doing the full screen. As you can see, if I'm at 100% down here, it shows you kind of a preview of the other pages that are in the paper. So you could scroll through those also to be able to see different pages that are in the newspaper. Or at the top, you just use the little arrow to flip through. You have additional options also over here to the right. It's the zoom in, but a lot of these features are the exact same thing that you're doing by zooming in or using your mouse to zoom in or out. So say you want a different paper once you have read this one. If you just go back up to the top and click, you can choose a different date, and then it'll bring it up and you can read about the information that you're looking for. So it is a nice resource to have, especially to get local information from the past. Their scans are very nice on, to be able to read. And if you zoom in, you're able to get a little piece of history from looking back at the newspapers in Salem of the past. So I hope if you're interested in this, you check it out. It's a nice resource that the library has available to you, and it is free, of course. And I hope you check it out. Have a great day.